Guys, today I'm going to be fixing my nose car. She came home and told me that her car wasn't starting. So let's take a look in the battery. So you can see this is the battery right here. The battery. Here are the tubes. Vice grips material, screwdriver, hammer, screwdriver, and homemade material to clean the battery. The terminal is dirty, so you gotta take the connector screw off. Gotta get a good grip. You gotta take the screw out that's holding the connector. So she's not coming out yet.
Okay. Braxton, thank you so much for fixing my car tonight.
You're welcome. See guys? That's your screw. So next, you gotta lift up the connector. So you see that the connector is now up. The connector is now up. I gotta clean the connector. So when you're done with that, you're supposed to just clean around. You see all the white stuff? You're all done cleaning the connector. You put it back and then you slowly hit it with the hammer. Slowly.
Braxton, you're such an expert at what you do.
I know. Gotta screw these back. So
Kid Mechanic, what are these tools called?
huh?
What is this tool called?
Vice grips.
Oh, okay. I guess it's because it's gripping the screw, huh?
There's grip in it.
Okay.
screw back in the to hold the connector in place. So see how it's going in. The screw fell. So leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There, you see the screw is in. So, this, and then, okay, Mommy, start the car. Okay, Mommy, start the car.
Yay! Thank you, kid mechanic. You fixed the car. Thank you.